Here's a pair of JLab JBuds Air Sport earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to an Android phone. Okay, now this phone here is a Samsung Galaxy S20. So first thing is have the earbuds in the case, open it up, take both buds out. And as soon as you take your both buds out, if you weren't paired to another device or nothing, you should get a blue-red or a blue-white blinking only on one of the earbuds, okay? And that's indicating some pairing mode, but I'm not getting the blue-white on either of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold these sensors here, both of them, until I get the pairing mode, okay? Ready, set, go. Just press and hold. And wow, that was super quick. Look at this one, blue-white, just one of them. So this is indicating that it is in pairing mode, okay? It is blinking blue-white, not sure if you can see it on the camera. Anyway, we're in pairing mode here. Let me go to my phone now. I'm gonna go to settings, and then I'm gonna go to connections, and then I'm gonna tap on Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, under available devices, it show up, and it shows up down here, the JLab JBuds Air Sports. So let me tap on that. It's pairing. I'll get a pairing request here. I'll tap on pair. And now I'm connected here, as you can see right there. Now the thing is, if you have trouble pairing or connecting, just go ahead and factory reset these, okay? I show you, look in the link below, I show you how to factory reset these, and then you can try to connect to your device again, all right? Good luck, guys.